Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Academy Foundation from Mr. Andrea. Today I would like to show you about the program for maths for grade 4. Let's start. The first section will be about place value, where the students will explore how to compare numbers up to 10,000 using the greater than and less than symbols. They will learn how to estimate and label numbers up to 10,000 on a number line. They will find out how to write decimals using times and hundreds, and how to count backwards from zero and order negative numbers. After place value, the next section will be about adding and subtracting, where the students will learn about efficient addition and subtraction methods, how to add numbers with up to 4 digits together, and how to subtract them, and finally, how to count 25s. Next section after adding and subtracting will be about multiplying and dividing, where the students will learn the 6 times table, 7, 9, 11 times tables, as well as their division facts. And also they will learn and practice the 12 times table as well as its division facts. Students will also find out how to multiply and divide using place value tables. And how to use mental methods for multiplication. The students will learn the mental method and written method for multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. They will practice dividing a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number using different methods with no remainder. They will learn how to use place value charts and short multiplication to multiply. They will learn how to understand and use multiplication as scaling. And also the students will explore how to use written methods to solve division problems. They will discover how to work out division problems that have remainders. And finally, they will learn how to multiply 3 one-digit numbers. The next section will be about problem solving, where the students will find out how to break down and understand math problems, and they will discover how numbers can be connected in a pattern and see if they can complete sequences. The next section will be about rounding and estimating, where the students will discover how to round a number to the nearest 10, 100, or 1000 and why this can be helpful. And also they will find out about different ways to estimate and check their work. The next section will be about fractions, where the students will learn how to compare two fractions and to find equivalent fractions by using multiplication and division. They will also discover how to find a fraction of an amount using a bar model. They will explore how a wall is made up of parts. And finally, they will find out the rules to remember when adding or subtracting fractions. The next section will be about length and distance, where the students will discover the different uses of metric measures from tiny millimeters to massive kilometers. They will also learn how to draw lines and shapes accurately using a ruler. And finally, they will discover how to work out the perimeter of a two-dimensional shape by adding the length of its sides together. The next section will be about weight and mass, where the students will explore comparing mass in grams and kilograms. They will learn how to solve problems involving mass and how to order, yeah, and how to measure mass and weight in grams and kilograms. The next section will be about money, where the students will learn how to order different amounts of money and use comparison symbols to compare values. They will learn how to use estimation to work out how much multiple items will cost. And finally, they will find out how to give the correct change. The next and last section will be about time. Students will discover the difference between analog and digital and how they can convert between them. They will learn how to find the duration of events using analog and digital clocks. And finally, how to convert between different units of time. That's all about the maths program for grade 4. You can find my contacts below in the slides or in the description. Thank you so much for your attention, students and parents. See you next time. Bye.